Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam tagasni U Padma Shri awardee but IPS officer Barim Sardar Inderjit Singh Sidhu U balapau nam Hagri India kum ubrum warrior ula Khlad no dagaba I shadien ni kajing tu khana jong kajing shakri pat ba kajing IT lun nagabenta kajing khut jing suba Hadien ba ula shong that naga kampat ba kumu IPS officer Sidhu shim la shong kelikti hindai ula IT la kajing impan pin priang ka khubor jong kajing khut jing suba ba kajing ket kli pat ba Dag bashim hi ya ubrum halakakti ula let ban pen khot ki surok ki yo ki jaka pat ba ki jaka mani blei kabala plong ye bun ngut ban bot ye kanuk sa jong u ka jing trai shi tom jong u kla yo jing yaro na keleng kari ba la nyo yo u kum kadak jong jing shakri pat ba ka buram ya ka jing trai hong ula pen I de ki kam ba man upat ba ru ula ban no sinyang sha ka jing pen khot ba jing pen itnat ye ka imlang sa lang Namar ka jing no senyang ka bakraw jang ushi ka imlang sa lang ba ka jing tray kam na kam ta ka jing khut jing suba ka sarkar India ka lai buram yu da ka khusnam ka bahe ka ta ka Padma Shri ki nong yalam ki seng pat ba bar ki nong shong nong na kaleng ki benta kari ki lapan pau ka jing snosi alor ka jing khat no jang u ki la ken mau yu ukum ubriu uber red mensi henry ubadan ka jing angnut ka baskem ban wan ra ka jing kala ka imlang sa lang Watla ula Khlad no ndai ka khubor jong u shapang ka jing khot jing suba ka jing kit khli pat ba ka jing shakri kham jing yo nong kan dang im bat tenenti ya ki pateng ki bandang wan
The Cleanliness Warrior Sardar Inderjit Singh Sidhu Padma Shri 2026
About 5 or 6 centuries ago, emphasizing the need to keep the environment clean, Guru Nanak Ji had said that the air is akin to your teacher, water is no less than your father, and the earth is your mother. So there can't be anyone more uncouth than the one who makes the earth untidy. To litter is shameful. To clean is an act of pride. Surprisingly, people don't shy away from cleaning and not littering.
He is retired DIG Punjab Police Inderjit Singh Sidhu, who the people of Chandigarh see every day cleaning the streets of their city. Born into a family of army officers on 6 June 1938 in Sangrur, Punjab, Inderjit Singh Sidhu inherited the legacy of discipline and the love for the country from his parents. He was bright as a student and promising as an officer of the Punjab Police, which he joined in the year 1961. For his selfless and distinguished service, he was honored with the President's Medal for Meritorious Service too. He used to willingly take up the responsibility of cleaning up the places he worked at.
I've seen him telling relatives and friends at family weddings not to litter the disposable coffee cups, which they would leave around carelessly. He would ask them to dispose them only in a dustbin. He has always been like that. Such is his nature.
After his retirement in the year 1996, Inderjit Singh Sidhu moved to Chandigarh. But he soon discovered that the city, once celebrated as India's most well-planned one, did not find a place amongst even the top 10 cleanest cities of the country now. This broke his heart because for him, Chandigarh was not his hometown. It was his home. Inderjit Singh Sidhu, without an iota of hesitation, started picking up the litter he came across on the streets.
It all started with my morning walks, but soon it was more about picking up the litter than the walks. Ultimately, cleaning up the litter took over my mind completely, and I forgot about the strolls.
It was odd and uncomfortable for people to see a retired DIG cleaning up the streets with his bare hands. Some mocked him, while some were simply astounded.
My friends who come over to meet me tell me that we would have continued to throw the garbage carelessly if we were not residing in your neighborhood. But now we are mindful because we know your father would pick it up himself if he saw it.
Seeing him collecting the garbage with his bare hands, there were many who suggested he wears gloves, but there were none to lend him a helping hand. Inderjit Singh Sidhu has been relentlessly and selflessly cleaning the streets and public places as if it is his duty to do so.
I try cleaning up these roads and public places with a hope that other citizens also realize that if he can do this single-handedly, then we can also join him to make our public places cleaner.
Now that he has been honored with Padma Shri, the same people who earlier used to question his actions and ask me, what is he doing, have a respectful attitude towards him. I'm really proud of him.
Sardar Inderjeet Singh Sidhu, Padma Shri 2026. Koti Koti Namaskar.